Hello, I am Ninad. In this type of question, a series is given to us. The series begins with an unnumbered figure on the extreme left and ends with an unnumbered figure on the extreme right. One and only one of the 5 number figures does not fit in the series. Find that odd one. Solution. Now, if you look at the problem, we will see that each time the number of lines in the series is increasing by 2 in the first step, 3 in the next step, 4 in the again next step, 5, 6 and so on. So in the first step it is increased by 2. In the next step the total number of lines is again increased by 3. In the next step it is increased by 4 and the next it is increased by 5, and from 4 to 5 it should increase from 6, but it has increased from just 5. The total number of lines in figure 5 should be 21, but it's 20 if you count that. Hence answer to this question is option number 5. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this type of question, a problem figure is given to us, followed by 5 numbered pair figure known as answer figure. Select the pair from the answer figure that has the same relationship to that the problem figure. Solution. Now this is a question of analogy. If you look in the problem figure, we see that there are either it should be a horizontal line or it should be a vertical line across the 2 dots. So I can eliminate option number 4 because it contains 1 horizontal and other 2 verticals. Similarly, option number 5 is also eliminated on the same rule. Now if you look at the shaded region of the problem figure, we will see that if we move to the left hand side of dot and to the right hand side of dot, the shading is on the different side. For this we have shading on the topmost, and for these 2 figures we have shading at downside. So if you look at answer figure 1, these lines are on the same direction, hence option 1 is also eliminated, and in option 3 the dots are facing each other, hence it is also eliminated. Therefore the only option which can be answered to this question will be option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In the following question, a series is established if the position of the 2 of the 5 numbers are interchanged. The earlier of the 2 numbers whose position are interchanged is the answer. Find the answer in this question. Solution. Now in this question you can see that the pin with darkened head on it is showing a pattern that for first time, that is from the starting figure to figure number 1, it has been rotating itself through 180 degree. Now in the next from 1 to 2 it is shifting 1 position towards right, and next it will again rotate through 180 degree, and then again it will shift through 1 position towards right. So if we interchange figure 4 with figure 3, then the desired result will be obtained. Hence answer to this question is option number 3. Thank you.